Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today what we're going to be doing is installing the Z1 drop-in filters. They just replace your OEM filters. Now I already had them installed and didn't take a video because I did it at nighttime. And so we're going to test to see if these actually make the car faster. So first we're going to do some draggy pulls. We're going to do some, well first we'll do some sound pulls and draggy pulls to see before and after if there's a difference. So let's go ahead and install these. Just going to show you. I'll be able to do this with one hand. That's how easy it is. Pop these two clips. You're going to push this back, take out the OEM filter. Might be able to do it with one hand. So literally just like that, and then they are installed. Simple, very simple. And the same on the other side. The other side's actually a little bit easier. So come here, click this, push this back. This side gives you a little more room. Now there does get like dirt in there. Like there's dirt buildup in there. I'm not sure. Seems to suck up decent dirt. Like I only had these in here for a day, couple days, so I can push this back and then slide your filter in. Boom, voila. Super easy, guys. Fits in perfect. Now there is little dents in here now, so I don't know what that is from, but either way they are universal. Both sides fit the same way. There you go. So let's go do before and after draggy test. So even though I got a slower 60 foot, slower 0 to 60, slower quarter mile, I trapped a little bit higher speed. So I do think the drop-in filters help with top speed, with a little bit more, not top speed, they help with a little bit more top end power. They are better flowing, so I can't see why it wouldn't help top end. And then obviously I did 2 launches stock, one from 1500, and then the second time I tried to replicate the launch around 1500, and I did slower times again, but I trapped a little bit higher. So it's really hard to tell The only way, like, I would love to get this on a dyno and then put the stock air filters and then let it cool down maybe 10-15 minutes, then put the drop-in filters. Like, I don't know why the company won't do that, and then we can have some dyno numbers, because I really think it definitely gains some power. Because I know just the drop-in filters on the VQ, like, there's a guy who did some testing and he actually gained decent numbers with the drop-in filters. It's dual intake, so I think it helps. Not really sure. My second test I'm going to do for this, for performance, is I'm going to race the TL again, so stay tuned for that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a few pulls, just in drive, and try to give them the hit like last time, and then I'll put in, like, we'll pull over, park for 15-20 minutes, then I'll put in the drop-in filters, and we'll run it again. Because I know I did that before, like a test similar to that with my buddy's WRX when I had my Acura TL, and his WRX, I actually did a lot better with the drop-in filter than the stock filter. So I think it helps. The sound helps on the outside. On the inside, I don't notice a sound difference. Every mod I want to do the before and after with the Draggy and just kind of see, you know, the progress from stock to modded. So once the weather gets colder to where it was right at freezing temps, then I'm going to go ahead and try again with my 0 to 60 in quarter mile time with the lightweight wheels and the drop-in filter, so I can compare it to when I was stock and I did a 12.99 at a 105. So I'm hoping I can get like a 12.8, maybe a 12.7. I don't think I can do that, but it would be really nice to see in the cold weather, and maybe trap like a 106, 107. So anyways, I plan on doing lots more content with this. I'm just trying to finish my TL right now before the season's over, and then this is my daily, so I'm going to be driving this all winter and making content with it. So stay tuned if you enjoyed the video. I got lots more plans, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.